Hello, this is Mr. Tech Talk. Windows 10 is presumably getting faster than the next big update for Windows 10, which is probably coming here on the first week of April. Then most likely the computers that are going to be getting faster are mostly the old computers. Microsoft has been testing Threadpulling. Threadpulling is a new mitigation method against the Spectre variant 2 by Google. Threadpulling promises improved performance compared to the previous mitigation method used by Microsoft in its operating system. There is a workaround so that you can get it right now by doing some things. I do not recommend it. I recommend you to just wait for the April update. But if you are curious, I will be leaving the link on the description if you want to try it. Thank you for watching. This was Mr. Tech Talk. Until next time.